Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add a watch list on TradingView. To add a watch list on TradingView, first of all go ahead and open your TradingView application on your mobile device and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you end up in the main watchlist page, tap on the plus button at the top right corner of the screen. Enter the name or ticker symbol of the asset you want to track and select it from the suggestion. After you are done, click on the plus button right next to the symbol that you want to add to your watch list. Once you tap on the plus button, you can get back to the main homepage, and inside the watch list section, you will be able to see the newly added symbol or asset. Now you have your watch list set up on TradingView, making it easy to track your favorite assets. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again.